Good morning. It is April the 17th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Hey, it is tax week. I don't know about you all, but I'm going to take a pretty nice hit tomorrow. So you always think you're getting ahead till taxes roll around, and you kind of get wiped back, and you got to go to work again to make things happen for you. And government just sits there with their hand down, and taxes need to be paid. I'm not against paying taxes, but what most of us object to, I believe, is how the money is spent. And we don't get a lot of bang for our buck. It's pretty inefficient. But tomorrow will be a day of reckoning for my savings account, and my savings account loses. Okay, around the globe on Friday, equities suffered because of the U.S. data. Retail sales missed big time. CPI came in well under the forecast. That was read as economic contraction. It's countered by the Chinese data that beat in every category by a wide margin, much higher numbers than anybody expected. And then we have Europe's taking another holiday for Easter today. So I think you've got the split news out of the United States, the split news out of China, and Europe on holiday, that we got a pretty good chance for quieter than normal trading today. Probably a trading range. The boil it all down, I think the market's going to hinge on which way the stock market goes today, and we'll have to see how that plays. So I like the long side first this morning, and let's get this up. Come on. Boy, the beast is moving slowly this morning. Anyway, I like the long side first this morning based on Friday's action and the chance for the E-mini to sell this morning. So our first buy will be 1 to 5. And our second will be 25 to 29. It is selling right now. And we'll see if that continues. Maybe we can buy it a little bit cheaper. First sell is 11 to 15. 19 to 23. I don't think we've got the ingredients for a big market today unless the E-mini just explodes to the upside. Empire Manufacturing Survey plus 15. That would be somewhat positive for the stock market. And then the housing market index at 70. That one might come in lower than forecast. The Empire Manufacturing might come in lower than forecast too. So I think we're down to what's the E-mini going to do today. And I think the first trade in the E-mini is a sell. You know, if we don't get follow-through selling, we can take that from the long side. After a holiday, the markets can start off slower than normal for Mondays. That's another possibility. So we'll just have to feel our way through it. And with Europe on vacation today, we'll have less volume and less activity, and we've seen that in the overnight numbers, down by quite a bit. Okay, our first little band of support for the bond is going to be 28 to the buck, so 21.25 by 1. And then 9 to 13 by 2. Again, it'll hinge on the E-mini. 8 to 12 is number 1. 15 to 19, sell 1. 23.27, sell 2. Gold was up a lot on Friday's economic data, and kind of a we'll do it this way, and you can see the selling in Asia, and then it started before Frankfurt opened, right here, right before Frankfurt. So people were getting the open shot at the market. So right here, that basically 1289 is our first little band of support, and that's where we are right now. So got two Bs behind us. Maybe we can buy it a little cheaper. 85, 87 by 1. 80 to 82 by 2. And we'll put a question mark here at 89. Just where we are right now. On the sell side, pretty clean break at 92. So 92, 94, sell 1. I think we get above 95, we're going to go get stops above 1300. So 99 to 01 for sell 2. Stops above 1300 is where we are right now. I think that's where eventually we end up. Maybe not today. Yeah, Europe's a big component of the market, and they're not playing today. So, okay, the dollar got bashed. Why would the dollar get bashed? Weak economic data on Friday. And our 106.75, 107 is where resistance is right now on the euro. So we'll play for a little higher. So 75 to 85 will be sell 1. And then 95 to 05 will be sell 2. On the buy side, 106.50 by 1. And then 106 1/4 by 2. I think we're going to try to trade up first, and then, can we get through 106.75, 107? Crude oil was off a bit. Again, OPEC rhetoric, news articles, commentary holds us up. The fundamentals are taking us lower, and I had problems with this filling in last night. We'll roll to the June contract on the 18th, although I'm having trouble with this. I'll have to check with Chris and see if he's there where the volume is, but on paper, we should roll on the 18th tomorrow to the new contract. Okay, last is at 82, so 53 even, 53 1/4, sell 1. 53.50, 53.75, sell 2. On the buy side, we're trying to trade lower. Let's stops below 75. That's been holding us up, so 50.50, 52.75 buy 1, but like the 50.50 better than the 52.50 better than the 52.75, and then buy 2 will be 52 even to 52 1/4. Fundamentals tell us that we should come in and sell crude daily. Sometimes it rallies. We've been in a fairly tight trading range. Okay, the E-mini, well, we get, it's pointed down. It has been selling. Always point out this chart right here. And this is what we're dealing with, and the selling is accelerated. So we've been playing. We thought we'd get down to 23.15 to 18, let them get stops below 18 right there. And I think that's within reach. I think the market is in a selling mode right now for a lot of reasons, but The Chinese economic data after our week data on Friday probably counters that. We're supposed to be the two big engines of growth. So our first sell, there's 33, there's 35, there's 37. So this 33 to 37 area is a pretty solid resistance. So we'll make 33, 35, sell 1, 39, 41, sell 2. On the buy side, 24, 26 is where support is right now, and that could hold. And then 18 to 20 would be buy 2. Let them get stops below 18. Okay, it'll take a bit to get everything up and published. I'm going to get busy on that. I'll be back with you as soon as possible.